Welcome to Brainthropology. This portion of our podcast is about mindfulness meditation. And we believe it is important to practice mindfulness every day. I'm really honored that you're here joining us in this podcast today. Thanks. Hi, welcome to the second half of the podcast today. We're going to be doing a meditation. And this meditation examines cultivating self-care and then extending that self-care out to others. Often in Western culture, we have some difficulty bringing compassion to ourselves. So we're going to look at that in today's practice. We're going to cultivate self-care and self-compassion, and then we're going to offer it out to others. I'll start the meditation by sounding the bowl one time, and when the meditation is completed, I'll sound it 3 times. As we begin, become aware of the place where you're sitting. You should be comfortable, yet alert. Settle into your sitting bones. Feel the weight equal on the right and left sides of the sitting bones. Relax your thighs onto the chair. And make sure that your feet and calves are also relaxed. Let your spine elongate. Just think of the natural curve of your spine. You're not trying to take that away. You're just elongating the spine. You want your posture to be relaxed but alert. And then ground your attention for a few moments in the flow of your breath. Perhaps you've been around the sea or the ocean or near a harbor, and the ocean will ebb and flow. It will make a wonderful noise, a sound, the ocean coming up onto the sand and the ocean backing away from the sand. Think of your breath in the same way. Feel that flow of your breath, the breath coming in and the breath coming out. We think of the breath when we're meditating as being like an anchor that helps you to reconnect with the present moment. The breath is always in the present moment. Now, scan your body from your head to your toes. If you notice any habitual contraction in your body, such as in your forehead, maybe you're frowning, or your shoulders, maybe they're tense and moving up to the ears, or your jaw, maybe you're clenching your teeth. Relax these holding patterns very gently and then return to the breath. So scan your body and work on any habitual contractions that are there. Returning to the breath, allow yourself to feel the breath as if it's nurturing your heart. Without force, see if the heart can open itself to being nourished by the breath. The heart is a tender space. Allow it to be receptive to the in and the outflow of the breath. Now, bring a hand to your heart, letting your palm rest with care. Notice the way your hand rises and falls with each breath. As you touch your chest, let the touch of your palm to your chest be tender so that you can feel the care that your hand offers. In return, feel your palm filling with the compassion of your heart. The offering of care goes back and forth, into the palm and out of the palm. Again, feel your palm filling with the compassion of your heart. And note that the offering of care goes back and forth, into the palm and out of the palm. Stay here for a few breaths. Notice now if there is any other part of the body that needs this caring attention or caring touch. If so, you can gently move your palm to that place, or your hand can stay right where it is if you prefer, and you can send a calming breath to that area. Just gently taking care of yourself. Feel the energy of self-care expanding, either still within your heart or to another part of your body. As you continue to breathe naturally with the focus on your inhale and exhale, offer yourself a few compassionate wishes. So I'm going to say them for you. The first one is, may I take care of myself. May I speak to myself with compassion. May I be filled with peace. Just breathing softly and quietly. You can offer yourself these compassionate wishes. May I take care of myself. May I speak to myself with compassion. May I be filled with peace. If there are any other words of care you need to hear at this moment, offer these to yourself as well. You are allowing the feeling of loving and nurturing yourself. Let's take some additional time to extend this care to another. Bring to mind someone in your life who could use this loving energy. Get a clear picture of them. Once you have this person in mind, offer them the same well wishes of compassion. May you take care of yourself. May you speak to yourself with compassion. May you be filled with peace. Keeping this person in mind, offer them the same well wishes of compassion you offered yourself. Notice them receiving these well wishes. May you take care of yourself. May you speak to yourself with compassion. May you be filled with peace. Rest here for another several breaths. Gently release the image of this person from your mind now. And I'd like you to call to mind all of humanity, people from all over the world. Imagine them, people in Europe, Asia, Africa, South America, North America, Australia. Imagine these people in all these different places, so many customs and tradition, rich, poor, sick, well, developed and underdeveloped areas, places of political unrest, places of quiet and solitude. Expand your thinking and your heart to include all persons. Silently repeat to yourself, may we take care of ourselves. May we speak to ourselves with compassion. May we be filled with peace. Again, imagine people all over the world in various emotional states and physical states. And expand your compassion. May we take care of ourselves. May we speak to ourselves with compassion. May we be filled with peace. Rest here for a few more breaths. Gently release all internal images now, and then settle back into your own heart. You might let a hand rest on your heart again, or you can just sit comfortably with your hands in your lap. What do you observe? I'd like you to take 3 long clearing breaths as you come back to your body. So 3 long, slow inhalations and 3 long, slow exhalations. Observe the impact of your breath on your body and mind. Continue to breathe naturally and steadily. In a few moments, I'll sound the bowl 3 times, and that will close our meditation. As the sound fades away, let yourself move your toes and your fingers a little bit and open your eyes. that concludes today's meditation. Thank you for doing this. Take care. Bye.